Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. Today I will explain a very common problem that many people face while using YouTube on their phone at home. Sometimes when you open YouTube on your mobile, a pop-up comes on the screen saying sign in to YouTube on Samsung TV or any other TV or continue as your Google account on this TV. This pop-up keeps coming again and again. Even if you cancel it, it appears the next time when you open the app. And this becomes very annoying. So why does this happen? It happens because your phone and your home smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. When YouTube sees a smart TV near you, it thinks you want to watch videos on the big screen. So YouTube tries to connect your phone to the TV automatically. Even if the TV is not yours, like your roommate's TV or your family's TV, YouTube will still show this message. YouTube is not doing anything wrong. It is just trying to help by giving you the option to watch on TV. But the problem is many people do not want to connect their phone to the TV and still the pop-up appears every time. Now let's talk about how to stop this pop-up. First, you can turn off the link with Wi-Fi feature. How you can turn off this? Open the YouTube application, go to the setting, then go to watch on TV, then you can turn off link with Wi-Fi. Okay, this will stop your phone from automatically connecting to any TV on the same Wi-Fi. Second, you can also turn off the cast or screencast option from your quick setting panel. This also helps because YouTube will not trying to find near devices. Third, if the pop-up still appears, you can turn off device connection notification inside the YouTube app settings. And last, if none of this work, simply clear the YouTube app data. This reset the app and removes the stored TV connection information. If you also facing any option is not showing on your device, then you can also clear all app data. So in simple word, this pop-up happens because your phone finds a smart TV on your Wi-Fi. And to stop it, you just need to turn off YouTube's automatic TV linking feature. That's it for today's video. I hope this explanation was very easy to understand. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.